day. Have you ever wondered if you could actually make money online without quitting your day job? What if I told you the secret weapon you've been looking for is probably already on your computer? Today, we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is not just a cool piece of tech, but a powerful partner for building real, sustainable side hustles. We're not talking about vague ideas. We're going to break down 5 specific actionable strategies, complete with real-world case studies, that you can start using right now. So, grab a notepad, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to launching your own AI-powered income stream. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about content creation. We all know content is king, but creating it consistently is a huge challenge. This is where AI shines. Think about it. Blog posts, social media updates, video scripts, emails. The list is endless. AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can act as your personal writing assistant. You give them a topic, a tone, and a target audience, and they generate high-quality drafts in seconds. This isn't about replacing creativity. It's about amplifying it. Let's look at a case study. Meet Sarah, a full-time marketer who loves personal finance. She wanted to start a blog, but was swamped with her 9-to-5 using an AI writer. She started by generating outlines and first drafts for articles like Top 5 Budgeting Apps for Millennials. She would then spend about an hour editing, adding her personal stories and expertise to make the content unique. In just 3 months, she was publishing 3 articles a week, something that would have been impossible otherwise. Her blog started ranking on Google, attracting affiliate marketing opportunities and ad revenue. Sarah's secret wasn't working harder. It was working smarter by letting AI handle 80% of the grunt work, freeing her up to focus on strategy and personalization. Next, let's move into a visually creative field, graphic design. You might think you need years of training and expensive software to succeed here, but AI is changing the game. Tools like MidJourney or DOL2 can create stunning, unique images from simple text descriptions. The demand for custom visuals is massive for social media, websites, merchandise, and more. You can become a go-to designer without ever learning complex software. Ecology. Consider Alex, a college student with a good eye for aesthetics but no formal design training. He saw a gap in the market for custom t-shirt designs for local bands and small businesses. Using an AI image generator, he would type in prompts like a vintage-style logo for a rock band with a lion wearing headphones. He'd generate a few options, tweak them with a simple, free editing tool, and present the concepts to his clients. They were thrilled with the unique, professional-looking results. Alex built a profitable side hustle on platforms like Etsy and Fiverr, selling digital design packs and custom merchandise. He's essentially an art director, guiding the AI to create the perfect visual, and his clients are paying for his creative vision, not his technical skills. Now, let's talk about something everyone needs: a website. The world of web development used to be reserved for coders, but AI-powered website builders are democratizing the entire process. Platforms like Durable or Framer can generate a complete, professional-looking website in under a minute, based on a few simple questions about your business. This has opened up a massive opportunity for a side hustle, building simple websites for local businesses. Here's how it works in practice. Take Maria, a stay-at-home mom looking for a flexible way to earn. She noticed that many local businesses in her town, like the bakery or the local plumber, had outdated or non-existent websites. She approached them with a simple offer: a modern, mobile-friendly website for a flat, affordable fee. Using an AI builder, she could generate a base design instantly. Then, she'd spend a few hours customizing the text, adding their photos, and ensuring everything was perfect. For the business owner, it was a fast, cheap, and effective solution. For Maria, it was a scalable business. She could complete a project in a single afternoon and was soon earning a steady part-time income, all by leveraging the speed and efficiency of Slats. Shift gears to the world of audio and video. Podcasting and YouTube are bigger than ever, but editing can be a tedious nightmare. This is another area where AI is a total game changer. Tools like Descript allow you to edit audio and video just by editing a text transcript. Want to remove a mistake? Just delete the word from the text, and it's gone from the audio. AI can also automatically remove filler words like and balance audio levels, and even create social media clips with animated captions in one click. Let's look at Ben, a video enthusiast who wanted to turn his passion into a side hustle. He wasn't a creator himself, but he was great at spotting what makes a video engaging. He started offering a service as a YouTube channel manager and editor. He'd take raw footage from his clients, use AI tools to quickly clean up the audio and edit the content, and then use other AI tools to generate compelling titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. His clients, who were experts in their fields but not in video production, were happy to pay him to handle the technical side. Ben was able to manage 5 clients simultaneously, creating a full-time income from his side hustle because AI automated the most time-consuming parts of the editing process. Finally, let's explore a less obvious but incredibly powerful side hustle: becoming an AI consultant or a prompt engineer. As more people and businesses start using AI, they're realizing that the quality of the output depends entirely on the quality of the input, or the prompt. A great prompt can give you a masterpiece. A bad one gives you junk. There's a growing demand for people who are skilled at communicating with AI models. This is exactly what Chloe did. She spent weeks experimenting with different AI tools, learning how to write detailed, effective prompts to get exactly the results she wanted, whether it was for writing, image generation, or data analysis. She started by offering her services on freelance platforms, marketing herself as an AI prompt specialist. She'd help businesses create custom prompts to streamline their marketing, help authors generate plot ideas, and help artists refine their visual concepts. Her clients didn't have time to master this new skill, so they paid her for her expertise. Chloe essentially created a brand new job for herself by becoming an expert in the language of AI, proving that sometimes the most valuable skill is knowing how to ask the right questions. So, as you can see, AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to give you a promotion. It's a tool that can help you overcome the biggest hurdles to starting a side hustle: a lack of time, skills, or resources. We've seen how Sarah launched a blog, Alex became a graphic designer, Maria built websites, Ben managed YouTube channels, and Chloe pioneered a new career in prompt engineering. All of them used AI not as a crutch, but as a launchpad. The key takeaway is this: pick one area that genuinely interests you. Whether it's writing, design, video, or the tech itself, start small. Experiment with the free versions of these AI tools. See what you can create. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the potential has never been higher. The online gold rush is happening right now, and AI is the pickaxe that everyone can afford. Don't just watch the revolution happen. Be a part of it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you some concrete ideas and inspiration to get started. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to leverage technology for personal and financial growth. Let me know in the comments which of these side hustles you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.